Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to disable the Meta AI option from your Facebook account. If you don't like this new feature and you want to remove it, then make sure you stay until the end of this video, and I'll show you the necessary steps. The first step is to locate your Facebook app on the home screen and then long press on it. You will see a few options appear after you long press on the Facebook app, and you'll want to click on the I button. That's going to open our app information in the settings. And after this page opens, you'll want to click on the Uninstall option in order to remove the Facebook app from our phone. After we do this step, we'll want to go over to our web browser and then search for Facebook Old Version on Google. You'll get a couple of different search results, and you want to open a trusted website from which you'll download the APK file for Facebook. Once you open the website, you want to find an APK version of Facebook from around the end of March or the beginning of April, because those versions of the Facebook app don't have the Meta AI feature. The next step is to install the APK file. So once the file is downloaded, you want to open the Downloads folder and then tap on the Facebook APK file. If you've uninstalled your Facebook app, you should see an Install option, so just tap on it and then go through the steps of installing the older version of the Facebook mobile app on your phone. Once the app is installed on your device, you can log in with your email and password and then go over to your Facebook chats. When you open them, you shouldn't see the Meta AI option anymore. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials.